Greetings, YouTubers, greetings. I'm sure you know by now that the ultimate purpose of the Overlord is indeed dominion, which shall be acquired through signs and wonders, beginning with my earthquake. That shall come to cleanse this land of all impurities, false religion, Christianity, Islam, Hinduism, Buddhism. There shall be only one religion, the religion of the Overlord, the one true Messiah. Of heaven and earth. A toast to the Grand Overlord. The King of the New Earth. In closing, try and remember my commandments. I would hate to have my followers forget them and encumber my wrath. Good day, YouTubers. Prepare for my